not gonna change your brain into thinking positive thoughts.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Just listen to the words of this song, bro. Hi, what's up, my beautiful, gentle people? Yes, I'm back again. Yeah, I'm back again, right? The Jamaican guy is back again. Well, I've done something that you guys will like. So this is Bob Marley here in the background. I hope you guys like this, right? So it's a representation of y'all to the appreciation of what you showed me in my previous reaction when I asked this question. If you all know Bob Marley, it is a great experience to see you all love, rate, respect Bob Marley's legacy. Yes, so guys, thank you for accepting me in your country of Croatia, right? I'm back again to do a next reaction, right? So this time I'll be reacting to Baby Lasagna. This is called Don't Hate Yourself, but studio session, right? It's a small studio session, it's a mini studio session. So let's see what's up, let's see how well he'll deliver this one, because I know he'll never fails, right? So I know he never fails. So without further ado, let's dive in. Peace.
Don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself too much.
Bro, even his studio session, he sounds really great. Damn, he started.
Really don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself too much. Mommy said you're a special boy, but you're really not.
Wow. Wow. Okay. And when you speak about excellent music, we're speaking of Baby Lasagna. I mean, like, this guy is a superstar when it comes on to singing great songs, bro. When it comes on to singing, bro. Buka, bro. I love it.
Toxic positivity and everything's okay. There's no possibility of things always going your way.
Whoa. And I mean, like, it's a very excellent story. I mean, like, what he's saying here is literally true. It's lit. Buka, bro. Wow. I don't know why I always act like this, but bro, to be honest, it's the music that always gets me in the mood. And I love this song so much, bro. The studio session is awesome.
Comparing is despairing, your worth is not in likes. There is no motivational quote to fix your broken life.
Buka, bro. You sound so good. Yeah! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, damn, bro. It's perfect. It's perfect, bro. It's all natural. It's all perfect.
Oh! Don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself too much. There are millions of your kind. Think you're special, but you're not.
Whoa. Damn, bro. There are millions, right, who would love you for yourself, bro. That's literally true, bro. It's facts. Damn, bro. Damn. Well, he's killing it.
Really don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself too much. Mommy said you're a special boy, but you're really not.
Whoa, it's true, bro. We're all special, bro. We're all special. Buka, bro. This is awesome.
No matter how many videos you watch, you're not gonna change your brain into thinking positive thoughts.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Just listen to the words of this song, bro. Isn't this factual? Damn, bro. It sounds so good. It's so good, bro.
There is no easy way, no one size fits all. quit looking for salvation on your iPhone.
Bro, perfectly amazing. Damn, bro. Damn. Bro, Baby Lasagna, it's so cool to hear you sing, my G. Damn, it's all natural. It's all natural.
Don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself so much. There are millions of your kind. Think you're special, but you're not.
Love yourself, but don't hate yourself. It's awesome, bro. There's a million out there like your kind who would accept you for you, bro. There are millions out there, bro. Like, let's appreciate ourselves, bro. It's the one we have. Let's appreciate it, bro. It's freaking awesome, bro.
Really don't hate yourself, but don't love yourself so much. Mommy said you're a special boy, but you're really not.
Mommy say you're a special boy, but you're really not, bro. It's awesome, bro. It's facts. Amazing, bro. I love that. I love that little short snippet, bro. I gotta say, I'm staying tuned for the next track. So, guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please subscribe for more. Subscribe for our next release. I'll be looking forward for it. So, peace.